At AXA, we believe in the strong power of making a combination between the agility, the speed of startups and the global scale of AXA to change the way we interact with our customer and develop new services that will help us go beyond the traditional insurance coverage and recreate a sort of intimacy with the customer.
What we do is provide insurance carriers the best AI solution to help handlers to augment their capabilities on a daily job. It's a real partnership. When you want to work that closely with a carrier, an insurance company, like we're working with AXA, you need to have this trust with the team you're working with.
We experienced Shift as very customer-facing. They were really interested in understanding our process and what the key success factors were. The challenge is to actually have the state-of-the-art fraud detection tool and to be competitive with other insurance companies.
Shift has not only built a business relationship with AXA, but they have gone on to build an industry platform for all insurers to share information. This means that we can take the fight against fraud to the next level because we are stronger together.
One of the biggest challenges I face is being able to match the speed of innovation with the pace of industry change and get to market sooner. What has been great about the relationship so far is that our fraud team and the Hunter Shift team operate as a single unit. We are full transparency.
The relationship with Shift, what we really appreciated was the flexibility, was the speed of interactions and the general easy to work with attitude.
Selon moi, l'objectif principal d'une start-up dans ses premières années, c'est de se démarquer en obtenant une satisfaction complète, intégrale de ses clients. Alors nous travaillons avec Shift Technologies depuis maintenant 1 an et demi sur la détection de la fraude avec, je pense, un plaisir partagé. Grosso modo, c'est pas un prestataire de soft informatique. C'est avant tout des geeks qui sont passionnés et qui surtout pour nous, connaissent le business.
Als u mij vraagt wat de 3 grootste voordelen zijn om te werken met een start-up, zou ik denken 1, de snelheid waarmee zij kunnen werken. 2, de creativiteit die ze aan de dag leggen. En 3, zij verplichten ons soms om na te denken over zaken die wij normaal vinden om te doen, die zij in een ander daglicht stellen en vanuit een andere hoek bekijken.
What we learned from AXA is scalability. Thanks to AXA, we went in more than 10 countries with 10 different cultures. When we started working with AXA, we were 15 people, and today we're still working and we are more than 180 people.
We learn how to be much more efficient in leveraging the power of data. We learn how to be much more focused on very concrete pain points of our operating systems. And for Shift, we hope that we can provide Shift with some knowledge on scaling solutions, being much more efficient in developing, rolling out the technology solution in very large and complex systems. This way of learning together and from each other is for me the best of a partnership between a large corporate and a startup.